Everything today revolves around smartphones and an internet connection. That's the reality we live in. We've all gotten used to having cabs at our doorstep and making bank transfers in seconds. Technology has completely transformed every aspect of our lives, from getting groceries in 5 minutes to even clothes in 30 minutes. So why not apply the same convenience to your business? Clients now expect a top-notch experience and instant solutions. But technology isn't just for serving them. It's essential for your success as well. In the modern distribution business, from seamless client onboarding to real-time portfolio tracking, tech is at the heart of it all. First up, tech makes managing client portfolios easier, enabling faster decision-making and personalized advice. It also helps you reach more clients with new investment opportunities without the heavy lifting of manual work. Tech also opens up more investment options, helping you find the best products and diversify portfolios to suit clients' needs. You can track performance, monitor client investments, and evaluate portfolio growth, all of which empower you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. And the best part? You can work from anywhere. With cloud-based platforms and mobile access, you can stay on top of your business no matter where you are. So to stay ahead, you need a fully digital ecosystem for your wealth business. And that's where Wealthy comes in. By partnering with us, you will have the tech and support needed to tackle today's challenges and grow your business effortlessly. Start scaling today.